we take the tram, 5 minutes we are at the beach, okay? To come back in the same. No one is allowed to smoke in the beach because it's a natural reserve. So if a guest wants to smoke, we ask them to come back and do it right here where we have these umbrellas. This is our smoking area, okay? With Carnival we have 3 packages. We have the access, we have the all-inclusive, and we have the ultimated, right? So you are in the package ultimated. The ultimated include the beach, the water park, and the zip lines.
Oh, including Zipline?
Yes, the ultimated includes the zip lines. This is a new package. I will check at what time is the next zip line. I will let you know in a moment. In water park, we walk from here. Water park. So it's up to you what you want to do first. If you want to do a water park, we just walk. If you want to do beach, we need to come back to the tram station right here and take the tram. We have trams leaving from here every 5 to 10 minutes, going back to the beach and back, okay? I don't know if you want to eat first, what would you like to do? You have include food here at the water park and also the food at the beach. We have 2 restaurants where we have a buffet. My recommendation, the buffet is better food than
17.
and you have include drinks too. It could be margaritas, piñas coladas, daiquiris, draft beer, not the can, not the bottle, but the draft beer. Flavored water, sodas.
Okay. So question for the zip line, this is where we go.
This is we go for the zip line.
Okay, and then for the Wi-Fi, because we cannot access.
Perfecto.
Kuzá Adventure Park in Cozumel, Mexico. Where are you? Are you home right now? Oh, fuck that. Helmet.
Helmet.
I have to take off my cap. Oh, damn. Okay. I'm gonna.
Hey.
Salimos primero en línea A, salimos en 10. Basically here we're gonna do everything for you. We clip you, send you, catch and stop you, alright? Now you need to grab your place, one rope in each hand, take a sitting harness, sit down, remember stay in and feet up all the time. Okay. You ready?
Ready.
Saliendo en 3, 1, 2, 3.
good. Perfect.
This your first time?
Zipline? No. Round 2.
Whoa,
Where's Drew?
I'm here. Y'all, we're on, what's this? How many feet is this? 250 feet? Is it 250 meters? Meters long. 250 meters long. Wow. It's gonna be a trip. Show them. That's what's gonna. Hey guys.
Amazing view. John?
John, Ariolo. I have my game guard there in my bag.
Línea B, un B7, B8, línea A, un B6.
Vámonos. Walk slowly, slowly, and oh, ready?
Are you ready?
Yeah, ready?
Go, 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 go! Oh dear, my friend.
Apologies about the
you
lean
good?
back.
You good?
Yes.
Oh dear. Let me help you. Watch out, my friend. Okay, let me take this off.
Thank you, sir.
Watch your head.
Thank you.
Watch you step down, señorita.
Yes, sir.
Perfecto.
Thank you.
Muy bien. Got it. I'm gonna take this off.
cosita de llama.
O, lakad. Oops. Oh, lalapit ako tapos lalapit ka sa akin. Oh, tingin. 1, 2, 3, tingin.
Bien,